This is how to remove the brake caliper on ML320 ML500 Mercedes. It's not too hard. You can take the whole thing off intact. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pry the brake shoes away from the rotor, and to do that I'm just using a screwdriver. Find a place where you can pry, and this will push the pistons back into the bore of the caliper, which is what you want. You want to have some clearance so that you can pull this whole thing off as an assembly. So once you're done with that, you'll want to go back here, and you'll see there's some 18mm bolts. There's an 18mm on the bottom and an 18mm on the top. You take those out, and once they're out, you can pull off the brake assembly. So, going to do that next. My ultimate goal of this is to take out this half axle and replace the half axle with a new one. I've never done a half axle on a Mercedes before, but the boot on this one is ripped. You can see the boot here has grease coming out of it, and it's ripped. It's been ripped since April of 2018, so it's not going to be too long before the grease dries out and the half axle fails. So I'm trying to get this thing all apart and get the half axle in there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.